Okay, so this is Melissa, who's just finished the Permanent Makeup Startup course with Katy. So Melissa, today we did our final live model days, and if you can refresh your memory back to this morning, we did, was it a brow and liner client, wasn't it?
That's right, yeah.
So how did that one go this morning?
Really, really well. The lady had had a bad experience previously and had quite a lot of discoloration and poor shape and definition.
Okay.
So it was corrective.
Corrective work.
But she was thrilled, absolutely thrilled, and it had completely changed the look of her face.
Wow.
And she'd also had liner previously.
Yeah.
So we redid that for her, and she was really pleased, particularly with how comfortable the actual treatment itself was, because in the past she'd found it really painful.
Yeah.
And she said she barely felt a thing. So
excellent.
Really
and then we had a inhaled lunch quickly.
Yeah.
And then we had another client in, and this time another client we haven't seen before.
Yeah.
And I think she'd had work done before as well.
She'd had work done before, and they'd given her brows that just didn't suit her face and that were very dark and big, and she was a lady that had quite a delicate natural brow line. So she'd had them removed, although they'd removed them with lemon juice.
Oh right, okay.
And needles, which sounded...
Not that we recommended.
No,
but,
not recommended at all, but we did her some really nice blonde, delicate brows that suited her face and that matched her hair and skin tone, and she was absolutely thrilled and can't wait to come back for more treatments.
Exactly, brilliant. And so we've done quite a few models over the last couple of days. Must be a bit tired.
Yeah, five ladies, some of whom had 2 different treatments, but
yeah,
it's great. I think the more practical experience, the better. And
yeah.
It's been nice because all the ladies that I've worked on have been completely different ages, skin tones, skin types, different. Some of them, it was their first treatment, others, it was corrective work. So it's been really good for me to get that breadth of experience to take forward as I start to work on my own case studies.
Excellent. And I suppose you're excited to start that at some point in the near future.
Yeah, really looking forward.
And have you got have you any people lined up at the moment?
Got quite a few people lined up, for case studies. So I just need to secure premises.
Yeah.
And
organise where you're working from.
Yeah.
Excellent, brilliant. Well, good luck in all that, and we look forward to working with you on the business side as well.
Yeah.
And good luck with your case studies, and we'll see you very shortly.
Thank you.
Cheers, Melissa.